Hi everyone, we have 97 to the power of 3. So don't forget this. We say a minus b the power of 3 equals to a power of 3 minus b power of 3 minus 3 multiplied by ab brackets a minus b. Okay, so we're going to substitute. So here we say a minus b. We say A is 100 because it's 97 and B will be 3. So we say 100 minus 3, the power of 3 equals to, so here we say 100 power 3 minus 3 power 3 minus 3 multiplied by 100 and multiplied by 3 brackets 100 minus 3. Okay, now we're going to work out. So we say equals to 100 power 3 is 1 million minus power 3 will be 27 minus, so here we say 3 by 100 is 300 by 3 is 900. 100 minus 3 is 97. Now we're going to work out this first. We say minus 27. So we'll bring this carry 1 here. This will be 10 and the rest will be 9. So we say here 10 minus 7 will be 3. 9 minus 2 will be 7. And here will be 9 and 9 and 9 and 9. Okay. Then minus, we're supposed to multiply this first. So we say 900 multiplied by these 2 zeros here. Okay, then we'll bring 9 here. We say 7 by 9 is 63, carry up 6, and 9 by 9 is 81 plus 6 is 87. Okay, so we're supposed to minus this from this one. So we say 0, 0, and 3, 7, and 8. Okay, 3, 7, 6, 2, 1, and 9. This is the answer. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave a comment and thank you for watching. Bye bye.